How to change ringtone on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to change your ringtone of your iPhone, here are the steps that you need to follow. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you tap on Settings, scroll down and search for Sounds and Haptics or just Sounds on some older versions. Then after tap on the ringtone option. Once you tap on ringtone, you can select the SIM in which you would like to change the ringtone. Once you tap on it, you will see a list of available ringtones. Tap any to hear a preview. Once you find the one that you like, you just have to tap on it. Tapping on it will automatically set it as your new ringtone. So you can switch between different ringtones as per your choice. Additionally, you can also purchase new ringtones from the Tone Store by tapping on Store at the top. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.